Hi guys, I'm Kristen and welcome to Studio Knit. How are you? So I want to encourage you to join my mailing list. Now this is pretty much my favorite part of the week, is writing out my emails to everybody on my email list, because this is my opportunity to get a little bit more personal, talk to you directly. I get some great responses and it's just really my most enjoyable part of my week. I'm a little bit more open and share more than I do on social media platforms. So if you haven't, it's totally free. I have the link to join my email list. Now, aside from just getting friendly emails from me saying hello and letting you know what I'm doing, of course, I have links to my free patterns. I have a page over on my website. I call it my knitting freebies page, and the only way you can get access to it is to join the mailing list. You'll need a password to get into that page, and once you're there, you are going to have access to all of the knitting patterns that I've taken the time to create printable PDFs for, totally for free. So as you know, I have hundreds of knitting videos here on YouTube and a lot of great projects. Now, for some of my favorite projects, I took the time to go into Photoshop, create some really beautiful printable pages for you of that pattern. Of course, everything I have is available on my website, but if you like having that nicely formatted PDF to put into your knitting binder of all of your favorite knitting patterns, then you'll want to join my mailing list so you get access to the knitting freebies page so that you can get those printable patterns. Of course, they're PDFs, so you can save them to your mobile device and always have them when you're on the go as well. So I want to encourage you to join the mailing list today. Bye.